Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to go over unboxing of the Apple's iPhone 14 Plus and the transfer of the information from your old phone to your new phone and how to do it. Okay, first off, we're going to unbox the 14 Plus, and here it is. Typical Apple, small little box. We have a couple pull tabs here, one at the top and one at the bottom. And let's go ahead and open it up. And this one is blue, which is a pretty neat color. And let's put the phone aside. Inside we have some quick guide and a thing of stickers. And we have Thunderbolt to USB-C and a cord. And of course no charger, no earphones, no nothing else. This is the phone. Really nice color. You're basically getting the 14 Max. It's pretty much equal to the same thing. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, so we have an iPhone 13 Pro Max on the left, and the new iPhone that we want to transfer everything from the left to the right is the iPhone 14 Plus. So first off, you put your phones next to each other and this comes on. I'm going to put the password in off camera, and it comes right up, set up new phone. So there we go. I just had to touch the screen. Now this is going to come on, and I have to remove the lens covering for this. I didn't realize there was a lens cover on it. Hang on, there we go. Okay, so you scan that code. You want to make sure you keep the phones pretty close to each other. That's the trick. But once you do that, that's the hardest part. So now everything is transferring from the left phone to the right phone. This took a little longer because there was also a software upgrade. So the phone on the left had the newer software, whereas the new phone, you have to have the right operating system, so it's going to upgrade the operating system first, and then it'll start to transfer all your information. So that's what we're waiting for right now. It's waiting to figure out, okay, so set up an eSIM. All the new 14 phones have no physical SIM. They're all eSIM, electronic SIMs. So you just want to say transfer the other. You transfer the number, it pulls the information off the SIM on the left phone and puts it on the right phone. So it's really pretty much a flawless transferring deal. So we want to download, this is the information, you want to download all the information. You actually want to transfer it though, you don't want to do it because it's faster since the phone is sitting right there. We don't want to download the information from the iCloud. And I'm just telling it here now to go through all the stuff that we don't need later. See, okay, now here's the software upgrade we have to do first. Okay, so I'm going to cut, and we'll pick back up here after the one on the right's upgraded on the iOS. Okay, so here they're upgraded, and finishing on the new phone, preparing to transfer. So now it's transferring all the data, and again, you don't want to use the iCloud. It's slower. It'll download the information. Yes, it'll work, but if you have your phone next to you, it's really fast, and that's what we're doing here. So we're transferring from the iPhone 13 Pro Max on the left to the new iPhone 14 Plus on the right. Okay, so we're going to cut, and here's what we have. and put the code in off the screen here. And that was really all there is to it. I'm going to set this up, some of this stuff for later, and black out some of the information that's not needed to be seen. Alright, I plugged the phone, I plugged the iPhone 14 Plus into my computer to let it charge, and it kept asking me if I want to trust this device, and I finally realized what was happening, so I unplugged it. But it's finishing up here. The screen on the left is what we want the screen on the right to look like, and it's updating the iCloud settings. Again, there was a lot of information on this, and it transferred maybe 5-10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, but it was pretty fast. And we'll do all the watch and the wallet and stuff later. I just want to get to the main phone. So there it is. That's how you do it. Everything is transferred. And now it's going to start to download all the information. It's on the phone. Now it's just installing it all. And that's how you transfer. I wanted to add this in. Your last step actually is to erase your old iPhone. And after it goes through everything, it actually gives you the option and prompts you to erase the iPhone. So you can erase the apps, you can erase the Apple ID, or I just do everything. But make sure that your new phone is working perfectly first. In fact, go through each app, make sure they all work. Then make sure you erase everything. Take out your SIM card. You don't want somebody else getting all that. And then you completely wipe your old phone. So, that's my video on unboxing the iPhone 14 Plus and transferring data. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.